Perfect.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am really excited for this video because I am going to be decorating for Halloween. I already have all of my decor taken down except for that black tree with the black balls because I'm going to be leaving that up. It's up all year round, so I just kept it there. And then I have so all of my Halloween stuff is right here. It's literally all piled right there. Literally. I'm going to be doing a Nightmare Before Christmas tree. I do have a few like Nightmare Before Christmas decor items and stuff, so I thought why not turn my tree into a Nightmare Before Christmas tree, so that will be fun. If you guys want to watch me decorate for Halloween and decorate a Nightmare Before Christmas tree, then just keep on watching. Let's decorate. So I have no idea what I'm even gonna do. I'm just gonna go with the flow and hope it looks good. But first of all, I'm gonna start off with some creepy cloth because this is fun. Next, I'm gonna put this skull lady up. She usually hangs out in my room. Put her up. Doesn't fit. So maybe like under here she can go, but she doesn't fit. I can only put her right there because she doesn't fit like up here or anything. So I think she's just gonna have to chill like that. Wise doll doesn't fit either. What the fuck? Who made these shelves? Like, seriously. I managed to put Pennywise, but like, look at him. He's all squished and stuff. That's me. This next. It's really cute. And this fake candlelight turns on, so I'm just gonna put it there, and then it will like glow at night, so that's cool.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.